Welcome to this Unity Quick Guide. In this video, we will be covering creation levels. The creation level refers to the level within the contact center at which a resource is created or an administrative action has taken place. These include at the group level, the queue level, and a media stream level. Expanding upon this, the group level applies to the entire contact center. This means all queues and all media streams. The queue level applies to a specific queue. This includes all applicable media streams within the queue. For example, a change made on the queue level within the AB sales queue will not be available within the AB support queue. And finally, there is the media stream level. This means the change will only be available for the individual media stream that it was made for. Examples of resources and functions that are influenced by creation level includes agent availability restrictions, codes, resources, replies, holidays, in-office profiles, blocked contacts, and groups. However, not all of these functions are available across all levels. For example, in-office profiles, located by navigating to the profiles icon on the main dashboard, can only be created at the group level. Thank you for watching this Unity Quick Guide. For more contact center tutorial videos, a complete collection of Unity Quick Guides is available.